Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can really set up a new disk in Proxmox. And today you can see I have attached 20 terabyte of disk to my Proxmox server. I have already have one other 20 terabyte hard disk which is plugged in to my physical Active Directory server, which is also working as a file server. So most of the files and the backup of this Proxmox we are putting and dumping into that 20 terabyte disk. So I need to scale up my Proxmox server, and I need to add a few of more VMs, and I was running out with some disk size. So at this moment I was thinking, okay, let's go ahead and upgrade this one. So I got the new Seagate XO 20 terabyte disk. So now I am going to make this available to the Proxmox so that we can use it and we can able to make them use properly. Okay, so let me show you how we can do that. Before that, I have one Windows server. So what I will do is I will bring it online, because that is one of the server which was in production, and I've just rebooted for this one. That is why it is now turned off, and rest of the servers you can see they are turned off because they are some lab servers. So I put them offline at this moment. That is fine. So the first thing is I will go to my node and I will go to the disk and I will select the 20 terabyte disk. Now you can see the model, the serial number, and the smart test is passed. It is not mounted yet, and it is we are going to use it at this moment. It is not in use. So the first thing is what I will do is I will use the disk to initialize to GPT. As you can see, the most of the disks are used as GPT. So what I will do is initialize the disk. So what I will do is I will initialize the disk, and the disk has been initialized, and now you can see it is set as yes. Okay, so now what is the next thing is I will go here and I need to make sure that it is properly online, and we need to use it in a directory format, right? So what I will do is I will try to mount it to a directory. So I need to go to this directory section, and this time what I will do is I will create a new directory. So once we click the create directory, you can see it gives us the information that this is the 20 terabyte which is available to form a directory and the file system. So what I will use is the ext4. In case you want to go for XFS, that is totally up to you, but I will go with the ext4, and I will give it name as data. So I'll put it as data. I'll put it as data, and I will create this. So now you can see it is making this whole storage available to the Proxmox, and if everything is fine and the disk health is good, which is already we have seen that it has already passed the smart test. So it will be available for use. So it is running few tasks. We will wait for it, and once it is ready, then we will give a test out and try to move one of the VM and see it works properly. So now you can see it is mounted. It gives its information that mntpve data, it is mounted there, and it also uses the type ext4. So now you can see the data store, it is already is available. Now you can see the uses is absolutely 0%, and it is available at this moment. So you can also see that I can use it to store the ISO files. I can use it to store the backup as well in case I need it. So but at this moment I have a dedicated backup server for my environment, so I generally dump all the backup there. So what I will do is I will try to move one of the disk, one of the VM, and see that how does it work. So what I will do is I will move this Windows 10 machine and try to see the movement works properly. So now we can see this is one of the machine which we really want to move. So I will go to this hardware section, and once it is there, I need to select this disk, and we will move this disk one by one. So it has two disks. So what I will do is I will move the disk, the first disk, which is SCSI 0, and it is having a 300 GB of data. So it is already live online at this moment. So what I will do is we can do it online, that is not the issue. So we will select disk action and we will select move storage, and the type is SCSI, and this time from this machine you can see we have the capacity of 876 GB and the available is 136. That means I've already done the overcommitment, so you need to see that. Okay, I've already done overcommitment because this local LVM, it is having the thin storage. You can see thin, right? So it is already overcommitted. So what I will do is I will select data, and I will also make sure delete the source. Okay, and then I will click move disk. So what it will do is it will do a full clone of this disk, and it is going to move it to the section. So you can, during this process is going on, what you can do is you can close this and you can monitor it. In case you want to monitor it back, you can double click and you will see what exactly going on. So as it is running, as it has data, it is going to take some time. So I will wait for it, and once it is done I will show you up, and I will also initiate the second one as well. You can, if we go here, I can also initiate the second one as well, but what I believe is it is going to increase the time which it is taking to move the disk. So I can see, I will go ahead and try to do that as well, and let's see how the things move. And approximately now I will see that if we talk about like 1940, which is 7:40 p.m. at this moment, so I will click the move disk again. So now automatically what is going to happen is, so both of the disks are going to be initiated moving to the new source, yeah, and which is 20 terabytes. So I will wait for it. I will try to see that how much time it is going to take. But it is, I totally agree that this machine is already in production and the people are working, so it will take some time to complete. So let's hold on and see. Once it is complete, then I will update you, and we will see how it goes. Thank you. Okay, so now you can see that it is completed. I can see the move disk is completed, and now you will able to see we are moved to the new data disk, which is 20 terabyte. And if we go to this disk, now you can see I am using 2%, which is up to like 429 GB. And if we go to the VM disk, we can see these are the two disks which are now residing into the new storage which we have added to the Proxmox server. So I believe this video is informative, and if you want any specific video from me, so definitely just drop a comment and I will try to create a video for you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Namaste. And if you have not yet subscribed our channel, go ahead and do it. It's free. Thank you. Bye. Take care.